Hey guys, I have partnered up with FabFitFun for this little show and tell of their spring add-ons. If you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, I will put my most recent unboxing with them below. I am so obsessed. It's the only subscription box that I am still subscribed to after I think 2 years. It is a lifestyle box, so it's a little bit of everything, full-size products, always at least a $200 value, and it's only $49.99 every season. So every season they come out with a new box. I do have a $10 off coupon code, so I will put that here in the description box below. These add-ons that they started doing are exclusive to FabFitFun subscribers. So as long as you have a subscription with FabFitFun, you have access to these add-ons that are heavily discounted, big brand, name brand products. Another little perk to being subscribed to FabFitFun. So you're the only ones that have access to these products, and they always and they will sell out. They are awesome products from awesome brands, some that you might not have heard of, others that you probably have heard a lot about, and like I said, heavily discounted. So they sent me some of their spring add-ons to share with you and get you excited. These will be available up until February 18th. And like I said, they sell out every single time, especially the more popular items. So I would definitely encourage you to jump on these if you see any that you're interested in. Pull out the first thing because, I mean, how could I not? So this is by the brand Lack of Color, and it is a Panama hat. I love this. It's just simple. It has an orange leather band going around, and I feel like you can never have enough of these. This is super cute. Perfect for any beach getaways, poolside, summer days, spring days. I love, love, love these hats. This next thing, what is this? This is June and May wireless headphones. No way. So it looks like there's 3 color options. And these are really great to travel with. I love any kind of cordless headphones. And I have the black ones. They're like black, and then the actual bud that covers your ear, it almost looks like a tweed, like a gray tweed. And I love how thin this band is. I love this. So this just hooks up to your Bluetooth so you can listen to music. This is really great, especially on the airplane. You don't have to worry about cords and wires and things getting in the way. It's like no frill, easygoing headphones. So some of these things have been in prior FabFitFun boxes. Some of these things may be coming up in upcoming FabFitFun boxes, and some of them are just from the same brands that have partnered up with them in the past or in the future. But I have said it before, I have discovered so many new products from them that I wouldn't have otherwise, that I'm just so grateful for. So this is the Pixi by Petra. This brand is found at Target. This is their Endless Silky Eye Pen. It's waterproof, and this is in the shade Icy Citrine. So it's kind of like a banana yellow. These are really great for your waterline to really open up and brighten your eyes. Kind of like a pearlescent yellow. So this is really good too for the inner corner. I love Pixi products. They send me a lot of their mailings. Dream the impossible, seek the unknown, achieve greatness. Oh, this is a fit inspiration journal. This, something like this was in a prior FabFitFun box, and these are awesome because it's a whole easy way for you to track your fitness journey, your diet, especially this time of year when I feel like everyone comes out of the gate strong in the new year, that they wanna set goals and lose weight and be healthy. This is the perfect little thing to help you do that. So each day you can say there's 3 things for you to list what you're grateful for, set a goal, 1 thing you appreciate, and then you can write down your food that you ate, your mood, your workout. There's little quotes along the way. So it's just something that kind of holds you accountable, and I like that it's kind of in a coffee table style book. So I love stuff like this. These make amazing gifts too for those that are trying to live a healthier lifestyle. It's just kind of all in one, and I like that it's not just your body, it's also like a good thing for your mind too. So these are really great. It's by, you can find these at getfitbook.com. So it's journal gratitude, set daily goals, track workouts, food, be mindful, record thoughts, get healthy living tips. This is really great. That's an awesome thing. Oh my God, I love these. Look how cute the little packaging. These are SpongeOwls, and if you've never tried or experienced a SpongeOwl, I promise you the minute that you do, you will never go back to your old loofah again. I was introduced to SpongeOwls through FabFitFun years ago, and ever since, this is all I use. And I always get excited when they send them because somehow FabFitFun always manages to send the best smelling SpongeOwls. So this one is in such a cute little, it's like a little purse and it has a little flip up here. And this says Mani Pedi Treatment Set. This is by, the scent is Flower Market. It cleanses, exfoliates, softens, and hydrates. So a lot of times, oh cool. A lot of times you just get the sponge, you can use it all over your body, but there are some specifically made for your feet or your hands. So there's 2 of them. They're kind of soaped up. They have all this soap and everything in them. They're good for a bunch of uses. And I love these. This is what I use in the shower. I have one in there right now that smells heavenly. It lasts so long with the scent, with the soap. It doesn't like run out in 1 or 2 uses. So I love this, and this smells really good too. Did I mention that? Smells like flowers. I love the packaging. This would make a really cute little gift. What is this? Vital Proteins. I have been seeing so many things about these. Collagen Beauty Water. Dietary supplement with collagen, probiotics, and hyaluronic acid. This is in lavender lemon. You can actually add Vital Proteins to smoothies and stuff like that. This is a little packet that I think you just add to water. Let me just double check. Yeah, combine 1 packet with 8 fluid ounces of cold water. So these are good to just take on the go. You can pour them right into a water bottle. I want to just make sure I can have these with breastfeeding. I'm sure it won't be a problem, but there's no added sugars, pure simple ingredients, 10 grams of collagen. They're gluten-free. They're really good for the skin too, and it's just one of those nice things that you kind of ingest to look glowier on the outside. So I actually need to get on the Vital Protein bandwagon. I feel like this is a really nice thing because it's kind of like for beauty. It's like for to help you glow from within. So these are really great. I'm sure they're really expensive normally. Got a little sleep mask here. This is really pretty, in like a blush pink. And it's by the brand Eberge. It's really soft, holy moly. It kind of looks like lingerie, and it has an adjustable band here. A little sleep mask, a little blush sleep mask. So cute. What is this? Oh, no way. This is a diffuser, aroma diffuser, Awake. I love the packaging. Features auto off protection, so it shuts off automatically. There's a built-in LED light. It's travel friendly, energy efficient. I love the size of this. My diffuser is ginormo, so it has a plug. It's so cute. So cute, perfect for your little nightstand. So the top comes off. You put your water and your essential oils in there, and you turn it on. This is the cutest little size. I love how it doesn't take up a ton of space. My 2 diffusers I have are on the larger side, so this is really cute. Especially for diffusing lavender, like right before bed. Gets you nice and calm and clears your mind for good sleep. This is chlorine. This is a dry shampoo, oil control. I could actually use some dry shampoo. This mom didn't have time to wash her hair, so let's try this. I've actually heard of this brand before. I want to say you can get it at Sephora, but I could be wrong. I'm very picky about my dry shampoos. I've tried a lot over the years, and I keep coming back to Elizabeth and James. Nirvana is my favorite. It's not like a super powdery white. It has a minty smell, which I was not expecting. It's very light. It doesn't make your hair feel stiff. I've tried a lot of dry shampoos in the past where as soon as I put it in, I feel like I need to go wash my hair. It smells really good. It has like a very minty fresh scent, and it's a really, really soft.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay. It has a really soft texture, and it definitely gives you insane volume. So that's nice. Thank you, FabFitFun. I really needed that today. Just noticed there's a little essential oil, eucalyptus. This must have came with the diffuser, and I didn't even realize it fell out of the box. I love how eucalyptus smells. It just like clears you out. Great for when you're stuffed up or have a headache. Smells good. It makes me think of Vicks Vapor Rub. I have like memories from when I was a kid and we would be sick. The last thing is this Purpley brush set. And they're synthetic brushes, really cute. There's a baking sponge and a foundation perfector. I've actually never heard them call these baking sponges. They're just always sponges, but I guess it's made specifically to set powder on your face. This is by Crown. I didn't say that, Crown Pro. Crown brushes are some of the best quality brushes and very affordable for the quality. So those are all of the spring FabFitFun add-ons I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you saw something that you liked. Hopefully you can grab it before it sells out. Again, my promo code will be below if you guys want to subscribe to FabFitFun and get your first box for $10 off and access to all of these add-ons. Like I said, they do the add-ons with every season, so there's always like good surprises to be had. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!